Hi, my name is Evelyn and I am a professional trader with over 10 years of experience. Recently, I conducted a trading sessions together with an AI bot. But to be honest, the result was far from ideal. Want to know what went wrong? Then join my community where I've shared all the details of this experiment. The link is in the description below this video. However, my subscribers suggested giving the AI bot a second chance. They assumed that I might not have used the bot correctly, that I was giving it too strict instructions and setting too many limitations, which were interfering with its performance. Maybe it's just my professional habit, since I don't only trade independently, but also teach everyone interested in trading for free on my Telegram channel. So today, I won't be giving the bot any clear instructions. I'll let it make decisions on its own. And who knows? Maybe the bot will even teach me something new. Let's find out if it can run a trading session better than a professional trader. Let's go! By the way, I recently taught new members of my community how to start trading on lower time frames. My community has grown beyond just a blog. It has become a real trading hub. Every day on my channel, I share my trading decisions for free, entry and exit points. Imagine having access to all my moves. I personally conduct online trading sessions 3 times a day where I show all my actions in real time. My channel is also perfect for those who value their time and want to learn how to read the market and make decisions using my strategies. You can follow my actions and achieve results similar to mine. Where else can you find that? Only in my community. Subscribe via the link in the description below this video or in the first pinned comment. Before starting the experiment, I already set the value to 50 and selected the pairs the bot will work with. I won't add any indicators, let the bot think for me while I simply follow its actions. It's time to start the session with AI. Let's go! First pair. We already have the bot's input. It says we should go down, so let's do it. Take an action. The bot made the right move. Let's explain. It detected a downward trend and identified a correction within it. To the left, there was a zone where a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern had formed earlier. When the price returned to this area, the bot calculated a high probability that the downward movement would continue. During the trade, the price slightly moved up, but then sharply dropped, confirming the bot's decision. Everything is on point. Let's keep going. Alright, the bot has decided we should go down again. Let's follow. The bot went down, and it was the right decision. It noticed that there had been a sideways movement in the market, followed by an upward breakout. However, when retested, the level didn't hold, the price bounced slightly, but then returned back. This is a clear sign that buyers lack strength to continue the upward movement, meaning a drop is highly likely. The bot read the situation precisely and made the right move. The bot says we should go up. Let's follow its instructions. The bot moved up, and that was a logical step. It identified a break in the downward trend. After a prolonged drop, the price finally updated its previous high, signaling a shift in market dynamics. A small pullback followed, which often precedes further upward movement. Everything indicates the price is ready to go higher. The bot executed perfectly according to the situation. Let's keep going. Alright, let's see what the bot suggests. Oh, we should go up. Well, let's not argue with it, let's take action. Well, my friends, the bot made a mistake this time. It detected that after breaking the support level, the price didn't continue downward, but instead started forming green candles. This might have looked like a false breakout, which often leads to upward movement. However, in this case, sellers were stronger, they quickly took control, and the price confidently dropped. This happens. Markets can always bring unexpected scenarios. Goodbye, our coins. If you want to receive the latest market analysis, trade breakdown, downs and my strategies, then my community is exactly where you need to be. I regularly share my trading decisions, insights, and strategies that help navigate the market effectively. All the most valuable content is in one place, available anytime. Access to the community is still free for now, but that may change soon. So don't miss your chance. Click the link in the description under this video or in the pinned comment and join right now. Alright, let's work with the bot one last time before I take over. The bot says we should go down. Okay. Great! This time the bot got it right. After updating the previous low, the price continued moving down as expected. A strong trend confirms its decision. The bot detected this moment and went for a downward move. Now it's my turn. The score is 4-1. Alright. I have the same setup. I also withdrew everything except for 50. The only change, I'm adding MACD and RSI indicator. The first one helps understand when a trend is shifting, and the second one shows when the price might be too high, indicating a potential drop, or too low, suggesting an increase. Alright, everything is set. Now it's time to beat the bot. So, I see that after a drop, the price approached the 18.914 level, where rebounds were observed earlier. The RSI indicator is near the lower boundary, which could signal a reversal, and MACD also confirms this reversal. I expect the price to either bounce up or enter a sideways range, so I'm going up. Not a bad start. Let's keep going. Next pair, I see an uptrend with a pullback. The price has reached a local support level that previously caused a rebound. Now I see another bounce forming, and a candlestick pattern called hammer has appeared, which often signals the end of a pullback and a continuation of the upward movement. The RSI also supports this, as it's crossing above the midline, confirming the strength of the uptrend. Taking action. Awesome, friends! Let's move on. Moving to the next pair. After a drop, a bullish engulfing pattern has formed. The RSI has rebounded from the oversold zone, further confirming the possibility of a reversal. The last red candle on the chart has been followed by a green one on the MACD histogram, signaling an upward movement. All signs point to the beginning of a correction. I'm going up. Great, soon we'll be tied with the bot. What do we see in this pair? The price approached a level with some consolidation before it, and now a breakout is expected. The MACD lines are pointing upwards, and the RSI has bounced off the 50 level. At the breakout moment, I'm going up since all conditions indicate continued upward movement. Amazing! We are tied with the bot. Now we are at 384. Let's finish this session with one more successful result. Alright, let's stop here. Just as expected, a sideways range has formed, and now the price is gradually pressing against the 18.914 level for a downward breakout. On the MACD, the white line has crossed above the blue line from below, while the RSI has bounced off the 50 line. The price is ready to move down, so I'm taking action. Fantastic, friends! 5 against 4, 768 for me and 192 for the bot. At the end of the day, I wouldn't trade my experience and knowledge for any AI. And if you rely on AI bots, I recommend being very cautious. There are no guarantees that the bot won't make mistakes, even in obvious situations. You know, my friends, I still don't quite understand what exactly this AI bot is basing its market decisions on. That's why I'm not ready to recommend any trading bots to you. But there is one thing I'm ready to recommend to all of you: my trading education community. I have put all my knowledge, all my experience, and all my passion into it. I will personally show you how to work on the platform, how to analyze indicators, and I'll share the strategies I use every day. No bot can provide you with that level of support. Click the link in the description and subscribe. I'll be waiting for you inside. See you in the next videos. Until next time.